Be the difference. What do they mean by that, Gerhard?
I think we all know what the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer. I want to change it to being the Chief Experienced Officer in your business.
I love that. I absolutely love it.
Being the Chief Experience Officer means that you have to be into the future. You have to think forward. You have to be the leader in your business.
Yeah. You know, I quite often say to people, stop doing to-do lists and start doing a to-be list. And a to-be list gives you a really good indication of where you want to be, once you've got your why, of course, but it guides you in the books you read, the tapes you listen to, the people you'll follow, whether 1 Minute Millionaire programs are right for you or not.
Yes.
But you take it a step further than that as well, don't you?
Definitely, because being the Chief Experience Officer is not only about your mind, but it's about your body, your emotion. There's so many factors. It's heart, mind, body, and soul.
Yeah.
And in this program, we talk about all these things that make you complete to be the Chief Experienced Officer.
I agree, because I've always said you can't replicate, you can't duplicate, you have to be you. You have to be the difference. Hey, if you're enjoying this, maybe you'd like our 1 Minute Millionaire training program. It's only 90 days. And if you are, sign up and you could be a 1 Minute Millionaire.